Right, so we have these two clips, right, and it just cuts from one to the other. So we need to use a transition for this to make sure it looks a bit better, right? We can just find ourselves a transition that we like. So in this case, let's click the Fusion transitions. Let's do the camera shake, drag and drop it onto the videos. Now, if you're not able to place it in between the two video clips, then what you need to do is that you need to make sure that you drag this inwards a bit and this as well, so that it doesn't have the end of the clip or the start of the clip, and that will allow you to drag and drop this onto the clips, right? Now, if we play this, we see that through a camera shake, we move to the next clip. Now, let's say you want to change something within this transition. You click it, and then you have all the options here in the inspector tab that you can change, right? Now, once you're done changing them to the desired values, you can go up here, right mouse button, and then click Create Transition Preset. You can give it a name, preset manual for instance, click OK, and then you will see that the user one shows up here, camera shake preset manual, that contains all the settings that we've entered ourselves.